Welcome to the Live Big, Live Full, Live Authentic Daily Affirmation Podcast. I am Lamondre Pugh, and I am honored to share this moment with you. This episode is brought to you by the 21-Day Authentic Leadership Reset. More information is coming soon, so stay tuned and find out how you can be a part of this transformational experience. This week's theme is strength and stillness, because peace begins when we make space for it inside ourselves. So take a deep breath and let's begin. Repeat after me. I create space for peace within me. Peace begins in my heart and mind. I welcome calm into my life. Now let's repeat that together again. I create space for peace within me. Peace begins in my heart and mind. I welcome calm into my life. Now inhale peace. Hold it and exhale tension. Inhale calm, hold it gently, and exhale stress. Inhale balance, hold it, and exhale distraction. Now picture yourself entering a quiet room filled with soft light. There is no noise, no pressure, no demands. You breathe deeply, and with each exhale, you release what you don't need. The room becomes a reflection of your spirit, open, calm, and at peace. Let's repeat it one more time. I create space for peace within me. Peace begins in my heart and mind. I welcome calm into my life. Thank you for joining me today. If this episode encouraged you to create space for peace, share it with someone who could use the same reminder. Visit liveauthenticdaily.com for more empowering insights on living authentically, and download your free guide, The Authentic Living Breakthrough. And remember, your life matters, your voice has power, and the world needs the authentic you. Until tomorrow, live big, live full, live authentic.